If you're cooking Asian cuisine like a pro, you also got to be eating like a pro. So let me give you a little rundown on the best practices for using chopsticks. First, let's talk about takeout chopsticks versus reusable. If you're using takeout chopsticks from the wrapper, just do a nice clean break and go for it. Don't do this or make fire like this. It's rude and you're not gonna get splinters, don't worry. These are your standard washable, reusable chopsticks. They could be lacquered wood, metal, or plastic. My personal preference is lacquered wood because they have a better feel. I can cook with them, and plastic and metal aren't great for high heat situations. I'm not worried about them when I'm cooking. Let me show you the proper way to hold chopsticks. I call it a pen hold for the first chopstick. So take your dominant hand, hold your first chopstick like a pen, right? This is a pen hold. Gripping it with your thumb and your middle finger. The second chopstick goes into the web and is supported by your ring finger now. So one is pen hold where you can articulate, and the other chopstick is static on your ring finger. This is the articulation. That's it, that's the pinching motion. And this allows you to kind of level up. You can grab things now. And that's the way to use chopsticks. An old wives' tale is also the higher you can hold your chopstick, the more sophisticated you are considered. So I hold my chopsticks really high. Next, let's help your little kids or your spouse hold some chopsticks because they can't do it. You can actually buy these little helpers right here. And what you do is you take your existing chopsticks, slide them in till they lock, and you slide the other one in till it locks. And you can actually just eat them that way. Give it to your spouse, make fun of them, make social media videos to shame them. That's a good time. The next thing is in a lot of takeout restaurants, you could actually ask for these connected chopsticks. And if all else fails, you can make your own helper chopsticks by taking the takeout chopstick. Don't discard this little paper. Fold it into a thick little piece, make a wedge of it. Okay, and then you're going to apply one chopstick here, the other here. Oh man, this is gonna be fun trying to rubber band this. I'm gonna pre-wrap my rubber band. So much fun. Rubber band over it. And, oh, look how great that doesn't work. Okay, moving on. And when you're taking a break from eating, don't stick your chopsticks upright in food. Oh, I can't even pretend to do this. It hurts my feelings. Oh, don't do that because this is what we do at funerals because this brings the food to your ancestors and you're too young to be an ancestor, so don't do this yet. That's no bueno. So another good practice is when you're sharing side dishes and you don't want to use the side that you ate out of, just turn the chopsticks over, use the back side and start serving people. Also, another terribly funny, rude thing is to point at people when you're talking. So don't point at people unless you're trying to start a fight. Although we're talking everything chopsticks, there are actually times you don't use chopsticks. So in Japanese cuisine, when eating sushi, by the way, it's actually acceptable to use your fingers. And if you do use the chopstick, you grab the food and you eat it all in one bite. You never take a bite of sushi, put it down, take a drink. You eat it all in once. And in Thai cuisine, you actually don't use chopsticks when you eat with jasmine rice because you use fork and spoon. The biggest amateur move is to walk into a Thai restaurant and before you order anything, ask for chopsticks. You are not looking like a pro, you are looking like a tourist. Another great use for chopsticks is cooking with them. Instead of a spatula or a shovel, I actually like to cook in the pot or in the pan with chopsticks. So in that case, you want very, very long chopsticks, preferably wood, because you don't want any plastic or metal there. There you go. Everything you need to know about chopsticks and then some. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time on Ready, Jet, Cook.